Hello guys, welcome to another instructional video on a concept in physics. My name is Oyinkachi Benefit. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Oyinkachi Benefit Physics Made Easy. Today we'll be talking about density. Have you ever wondered why a heavy ship floats on water while a small stone sinks in water, or while a piece of wood floats on water but a metal spoon sinks to the bottom? Well, the answer lies in one simple concept: density. In this short lesson, we'll explore what density is, what affects it, how to calculate it, and where it shows up in everyday life. What is density? Density is a measure of how much mass is packed into a certain volume. In simple terms, it is defined as the measure of how tightly matter is packed. Imagine a box of feathers and a box of rocks, same size but different mass. Now, what affects density? The two main factors that affect density are temperature and pressure. For temperature, when we heat substances, it causes them to expand, thereby making them less dense. But for pressure, when we increase pressure, we can compress the substance, making them more dense. How do we calculate density? Density is given by the formula mass divided by volume, and the standard unit is kilograms per cubic meter, but grams per cubic centimeter is also common in labs. Let's solve this question, shall we? A metal block has a mass of 200 grams and a volume of 50 centimeter cube. Let's find the density. Using the formula density equals mass divided by volume, we would have 200 grams divided by 50 centimeter cube, and then we'll have the density of the metal block to be 4 grams per centimeter cube. That's a relatively dense substance. All right, how does density apply in real world? Density is used in shipbuilding to design objects that float on water. It is also used in mixture separation, in oil and water separation, because oil floats because it is less dense than water. Density is also applied in air travel. Hot air balloons rise because hot air is less dense. Now let's do a quick recap. Today we learned that density is equals to mass divided by volume, and then we learned that it's affected by temperature and pressure. We learned that density tells us how compact matter is, and that it is useful in science, engineering, and daily life. Alright guys, now it's your turn. Try out these very simple questions. How did you find the questions? Really easy, right? Alright, we, this is where we draw the notes. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.